Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The world of portable cameras is bracing for a major shakeup with the anticipated arrival of the DJI Pocket 4 in late 2025. Building upon the stellar reputation of its predecessor, the DJI Pocket 3, this new iteration is rumored to revolutionize compact videography. Whether you're an established content creator or a casual enthusiast, the Pocket 4 promises to redefine how we capture life's moments. Let's dive into its cutting-edge features, improved design, and groundbreaking performance upgrades, which make it a strong contender for the title of Action King. Compact design meets intelligent innovation. The DJI Pocket 4 remains true to the hallmark compactness of the series, but introduces refined design elements. Slightly larger than the Pocket 3, it is rumored to measure approximately 140 by 43 by 35 millimeters. This slight size increase accommodates powerful internal hardware while maintaining a pocket-friendly profile. At just around 120 grams, the lightweight build ensures it remains portable and convenient for everyday use. The centerpiece of its design is an upgraded 2.5-inch rotating OLED touchscreen, boasting a 480 by 800 resolution and 800 nits brightness. This screen not only provides excellent visibility in outdoor settings, but also enhances the user experience by offering intuitive navigation and better framing options. Additionally, the ergonomically improved grip and user-friendly controls ensure seamless handling, whether filming quick vlogs or cinematic adventures. Next-level imaging capabilities. At its core, the Pocket 4 is set to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor. With a rumored resolution of at least 12 megapixels, the camera promises crisp, detailed imagery even in challenging lighting conditions. Paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens, the Pocket 4 is expected to deliver vibrant colors, stunning dynamic range, and lifelike visuals. For video enthusiasts, the Pocket 4 brings exciting possibilities. It's speculated to support 4K video recording at up to 240 frames per second, doubling the frame rate of its predecessor. This enables silky smooth slow-motion footage, ideal for creative storytelling. Additionally, the inclusion of 10-bit color modes like HDR and D-Log-M ensures unparalleled flexibility in post-production, allowing creators to capture a broader range of tones and details. Revolutionary stabilization technology. Stabilization has always been a highlight of the DJI Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 takes this to new heights with an upgraded 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This system ensures rock-solid stability, whether you're filming while biking, running, or even skiing. Coupled with the rumored ActiveTrack 7.0 technology, which features advanced eye and face detection, the camera promises unmatched precision in tracking fast-moving subjects. These features make the Pocket 4 ideal for action-packed scenarios, ensuring smooth and dynamic footage without the need for extra gear, expanding creative possibilities with accessories. One of the most exciting aspects of the DJI Pocket 4 is its rumored compatibility with an expanded range of accessories. From external battery packs for prolonged recording sessions to waterproof cases and ND filters for outdoor shooting, the Pocket 4 aims to cater to diverse needs. For audio enthusiasts, the camera might include a 3-microphone array, delivering superior noise reduction and stereo sound. Support for external microphones and DJI's wireless audio systems could make it an invaluable tool for vloggers and interviewers seeking high-quality audio. Improved battery life and charging speed. Battery life has often been a focal point for creators on the go, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to deliver up to 200 minutes of 4K recording on a single charge. This is a notable improvement over its predecessor, which managed 166 minutes. Additionally, DJI's fast-charging technology might allow the Pocket 4 to reach full capacity in just 25 minutes using the company's proprietary PD charger. These enhancements ensure that creators can focus more on their craft and less on managing battery levels. Expected launch timeline and pricing. Adhering to DJI's traditional 3-year product cycle, the Pocket 4 is expected to debut in late 2025. This timeline gives the company ample opportunity to fine-tune the device and deliver a polished product. Pricing speculation suggests a slight increase over the Pocket 3, which started at $539 for the base model. Early estimates predict the Pocket 4 to launch at $699 for the standard version and $799 for the Creator Combo. This pricing reflects its advanced features and positioning as a premium product in the portable camera market. Why upgrade? The Pocket 4 isn't just an iterative update. It's a leap forward in portable camera technology. While the Pocket 3 remains an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers, the Pocket 4's improved sensor, superior stabilization, and higher frame rates make it an appealing option for those seeking the latest in videography. With its combination of robust hardware, intuitive software, and versatile accessories, the Pocket 4 is poised to redefine what's possible with a handheld camera. Final thoughts. The DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a trailblazer in the world of action cameras. Its blend of cutting-edge technology, user-friendly design, and professional-grade features makes it a must-have for creators of all levels. From capturing breathtaking slow-motion sequences to producing smooth, cinematic footage, this camera promises to elevate every shot. As we await its official launch, one thing is clear. DJI is committed to exceeding user expectations. Are you excited about the DJI Pocket 4? What features are you hoping to see? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to technology in the future for more updates on the latest tech trends, gadgets, and reviews.